Well, hey guys, I just got back from getting my COVID-19 vaccine shot. I got the Moderna, or I guess that's how they pronounce it anyway, shot, and there's no discomfort as of yet. So, of course, it's only been 30 minutes or so. I've had time to get the shot, wait 15 minutes, and then drive home, so that's about 30 minutes for me, because I'm only about 15 minutes from the VA. But the VA here, and I can't speak for all the VAs, but the one here in Kansas City decided that if the patients had had cancer within the last 2 years, then they got bumped to the top of the list. So that is why I got mine so early, because I had cancer within the last 2 years. In fact, I started off the pandemic in chemotherapy. I mean, it was announced as a pandemic right as I believe I was still in the hospital for the last treatment, because my type of cancer required that I was in the hospital for 7 days on chemotherapy, and then I would have like 2 weeks at home, and then I would go back in for 7 days, then 2 weeks at home, and I had to do that. They lined it up for 4 times. They ended up only doing it 3 times, and actually I left like a day early on the third time. Because the pain was so great when I was in the hospital on chemotherapy that I was like, I'm done. I can't do it anymore. I'm an old jarhead, and I can tolerate a lot of pain, but that was something that was just horrible. I hope no one ever has to go through that like I did. But anyway, I am going to put up a little video. It's going to be attached to this one, but it is of me actually getting the shot. And I want to encourage people to get the shot. I will post updates about this whole process as we go, because I want to encourage people to get the shot. We can't hit herd immunity unless we get somewhere between 60 and 90% of the population needs to be vaccinated before we can get herd immunity, and then this is a thing of the past. And that's going to take some time. I mean, in the meantime, I'm still going to wear a mask. Well, especially right now, because if I get COVID while the vaccine is building in my body, and it takes about 6 weeks, the second shot will be in 30 days, so January 23rd, I believe. And then 2 weeks after that, I'm actually immune. But I'll keep wearing my mask after that, because there is nothing saying that even though the coronavirus won't infect you if you have been vaccinated, you can still breathe in the particles and breathe them out to someone who's not vaccinated and hurt them. I really don't need that on my conscience. I'll flat up. I'm not going to do that. So anyway, so here's a little snip of me getting my shot, and I hope that this encourages more people to get it as soon as they can. And the dogs are being noisy. Anyway, have a good one, guys. We'll see you next time. Hi guys, I am actually at the VA in KC, where I go for all of my medical care, and I'm about to get my first of 2 COVID vaccine shots. So I'm excited. I thought I would let you all know this is happening.
What should I do?
And I will hopefully soon be safe, because it's been a scary year for me. We'll go with the uninjured shoulder. Yep.
Okay, so stop at that first desk, Mr. Aaron.
Not too bad.
All right.
There we go. That easy.
That was easy.
All right. So guys, I will try to keep you updated on how it makes me feel and stuff over the next few days or weeks, and then don't think I'll be filming the second shot, but I'll let you know when I get it, and we'll go from there. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.